Hey, sixth graders. Hope you're having a great day today. So this video is just going to show you and quickly review what your job is as you work through your at-home learning day for March 11th. So what you're basically going to do, since we're back studying the Dakota and the U.S.-Dakota War, we're going to dig deeper into the Dakota culture and learn a little bit more about them. My hope is that it's a little bit more interactive, more enjoyable for you versus just reading and filling out a worksheet or taking a quiz. So depending on your interest, we have areas for learning about Native American food. You have areas of learning about Dakota and Lakota activities / games. And then if you're more into the art and you want to learn more about the different types of art out there, you could choose that one as well. So I'm going to start with explaining the food one, and you get to pick one of these. Then what you're going to do is do a short activity, take a picture of that, whatever you're doing, or even you could record yourself depending on what it is, and then post it to your course Padlet right here. So in the Native American food, if that's something you would like to look at, you're going to tap on that link. And each of these activities has really brief directions where you learn about it, you pick one, you try to recreate or you play, and then you take a picture and post it. So the food ones, if you're into making food or want to try a traditional Native American dish, here's one with wild berries that are plentiful in the Great Plains region. That's where we're at, and you can see here that including the Lakota, the Cheyenne, and the Blackfoot tribes would pick lots of berries. Now, you might not have these ingredients at home, so do your best to replace them with something else and be creative with this. So this is what an example would look like on some sort of waffle, the way it looks, just some berries like that. The other one is chai pudding with berries and popped amaranath. And again, if you don't have these actual ingredients, that's fine. Just do your best at making it similar to, or something that you could make it look similar to, and then try it, see if you like it. Take a picture of whatever dish you create, and then post it to that Padlet from Core 1 here, or 2, 3, or 4. Dakota activities, when you tap there, same thing. Learn about the different activities and games. Pick one either to learn or to play, or maybe you're going to create your own type of game similar to the ones you're learning. Take a picture, post it to the Padlet. And this is one where you could also record yourself, and Padlet will allow you to post that recording of yourself. So you'll notice on this document it's 18 pages, so it's a little bit longer. But the first few pages just give some history about some of the activities and games that are playing. And then as you scroll down, you'll see the title page of traditional games you can look at, learn a little bit more about the games. So like this one is plum seeds. It uses plum seeds. But obviously, if you don't have plum seeds laying around your house, you could use dice. And again, get creative with how you use these activities. Now, something like this one, if you have adult supervision, you can do more of a bow and arrow type thing. You could do that, but make sure you have adult supervision if you're doing something that is projecting another object. We also know that lacrosse. So if you play lacrosse or you want to show something about that, you could record yourself or take your picture of that as you learn a little bit about it, post it to that Padlet for your core. And then finally, the last choice is art. If you are into art and like painting and drawing, this would probably be the one for you. So learn about the Dakota / Lakota art. Pick one to try to recreate, take a picture of it, post it to your course Padlet. So again, this one has quite a few pages, so if you want to just skim through it first, there's all these different types of art and paintings that are from the Lakota and Dakota culture. Find one that kind of sticks out to you, try to recreate it, take a picture of it, post it to that Padlet for your core. And so really that's all we have for today. And you'll just kind of go back and forth between one of these activities, completing it, post it to your Padlet right here. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me. I'll be happy to help. Now, if you don't get this done today, it could be something you do at a later date. All right. Hope you have a wonderful time and have fun with learning here about the Dakota and Native Americans.